Hi, I'm Cameron Jackson, Development Director for Fraser's Property Australia. Welcome to the latest Clemton Park Village construction update. The final stage of Clemton Park Village Master Plan Development, Village Green, is currently a hive of activity with 5 buildings under construction, including Podium, Aspect, Emporium, Garden and Piazza, plus the Clemton Park Shopping Village. Aspect, Emporium and Garden have both topped out with the roof slabs poured. Formwork is now up to the roof level of Piazza, ready for the roof slab to be poured, and preparation work is underway to pour level 2 of Podium. Clemton Park Shopping Village and the open air Piazza are progressing well, with formwork continuing and the installation of essential services such as water and gas. On completion, Village Green will comprise of 290 apartments across 5 buildings, a landscape garden podium, community centre, children's play area and community garden. At the heart of the Village Green will be the open-air piazza surrounded by alfresco cafes and restaurants, and Clemton Park Shopping Village featuring a Coles supermarket, fresh food outlets, a medical centre and specialty stores. It's a great place to catch up with friends and family, or grab a coffee on the way to work, or pick up the necessities for everyday life. Clemton Park Shopping Village offers fantastic opportunities for local businesses. We are currently seeking a range of uses including fresh food services, cafes and restaurant operators. Take advantage of the leasing opportunities available by visiting our website. Clemton Park Village is a wonderful opportunity for people to be part of something dynamic that will continue to grow and flourish in the years to come. It's not too late to be part of this flourishing neighbourhood with a few remaining apartments for sale. To inquire today, call 13 38 38 or for more information visit cpvillage.com.au. See you soon and keep posted for the next Clemton Park Village construction update.